Okay, the first thing that I've got here is a 2-pound box of government cheese. I'm told that this tastes a lot like Velveeta, but I'm allergic to milk, so I usually hand this over to somebody at the food bank. And let's see what's in the box. Oh, good, we need rice. I was actually buying rice. We've got two 1-pound bags of rice. That will make up quite a bit. We have two cans of Campbell's vegetarian vegetable soup. I believe this is mixed vegetables, and it has corn in it, so I'll usually share that. I can't eat that. Oh, did we? Oh, no. Oh, and for meat, we got a can of ground beef, which I don't eat meat, so. 2 cans of pears. Oh, well, usually there's 2 cans of fruit. Oh, here we go. 2 cans of pears. Can of pears. And we have black turtle beans. I'll get 3 meals out of this can. And there's 2 cans, so there's 6 meals. I can usually eat for a week out of this box. And what do we have? Another can of the vegetables. There's always 3 cans of something. Oh, the diced tomatoes are great because they don't have sugar in them. I can make salsa with this. I can make ketchup with it if I puree it. Or I can use it in a casserole. Another container of peanut butter, and I'm not eating this fast enough, so that'll be going to a food bank. Oh, another can of pears. So we have 3 cans of pears and 3 cans of vegetables. That's going to come in handy. And another can of the diced tomatoes. 3 cans of diced tomatoes, too. As well as tomato sauce, tomato juice. This will come in handy for either a soup base or I could make ketchup with that if I boil it down better, too. And 2 containers of shelf-stable milk. And for cereal, we have shredded wheat. I have celiac disease. That'll be going to the blessing box. And cornflakes. Again, that'll be going to the blessing box. Oh, what's this? Chili with beans. Not my favorite, but it'll work in a pinch. So I've got about a week's worth of food in here and a lot of food to share. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for information on how to get your own box. If you'd like to get your own box or find out if you're eligible, go to fns.usda.gov and follow the prompts.